really demonstrating and role-playing with the people how to enter and how to behave in certain situations. Do a walkthrough, do a an office tour or a plant tour when everybody's watching with social distancing. Because it's different when they just hear it in a cascade. It's also different when they're seeing it in action. I'm now going to tip number 2. And tip number 2 is about restoring the sense of normalcy. If you look at the rituals that we have here, they're all, or some of them are new. We have alcohol, what else? Hand sanitizers in the office before. But it's just there. It's not a requirement. It's nice to have. And it's good to do if we have the time, if we remember it. But most of what you see here are really new behaviors. The mandatory temperature check, checking am I wearing my mask when I will go out of my workstation, being used to being asked health check questions every day. And because we all go home, we may get exposed to people along the way going to the house. Our household or family members may get exposed to, and for all we know, we might be carrying the virus the following day. Remember the Prime Minister of New Zealand, what was the mindset that she said? Prime Minister Arden, the mindset that she said is, always think if you have the virus, what will you do? Okay? But not everybody's used to this. They're used to going through the same entrance and exit. They're used to really bumping into each other along the corridor or going up and down the stairs. Let me give you an additional tip. You may even want to divide the floor and put markings on the floor and put lines on the stairs. Put lines on the stairway, keep right. Yes? So we can really still practice social distancing even if people are going up or going down. You may also adopt this guideline of if you see somebody going up the stairs, don't go together. Or if you see somebody going up and you're going down, allow the person to go up first. Those types of rituals have to be ingrained in our consciousness. Do you like the additional tips that I'm giving you? Let me get some reactions. I'm still giving additional tips coming from yesterday. Since people have their habits, it will take time. So the leader has to really be able to ingrain this routine for the team. I would suggest that when you already have the guidelines fixed and finalized, you will have your cascade 2, similar to what we did yesterday. And you may also want to do a dry run. Here is a strong suggestion from me. Have a dry run. And a dry run would mean gathering your employees outside in the driveway with social distancing, somebody holding a megaphone, and really demonstrating and role-playing with the people how to enter and how to behave in certain situations. Do a walkthrough, do an office tour or a plant tour when everybody's watching with social distancing. Because it's different when they just hear it in a cascade. It's also different when they're seeing it in action. Most of the things will be new to people. You have to restore this sense of normalcy and on a daily basis, maintain and amplify these rituals. That it becomes automatic after 1 week. The goal is it becomes automatic. I'm entering the plant, mandatory temperature check. I'm entering the plant or the site, am I wearing my mask? I know I will be asked health check questions and I will not take it against the guard or the reception if they ask too many questions. My dear friends, it can also mean similar to airport security that people have to line up. Because if you will implement temperature checks and health check questions, that means people will have to line up. So there is some waiting time. People can't hurry. So you have to inform employees that they may have to go minutes, 15 minutes earlier or 20 minutes earlier because of these additional rituals and procedures. Okay? And some are used, most, if not all, are not used to this. So the leader really has to provide this sense of normalcy.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar, and to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.